Learn how to make a delicious and flavorful Indian style fish curry with tomatoes and coconut milk that's easy to prepare and perfect for a quick weeknight dinner. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Follow along as we take you through a step by step guide on how to make this very simple Indian dish at home. I've used sea bass fish here. You can use any fish of your choice. So over here, basically, I have lightly marinated the fish with some salt and pepper and pan frying it just to give it a little color on both sides. And now in a pan, I've added some coconut oil and also the same oil with which the fish was fried. Added some mustard seeds, some fenugreek seeds, allow it to splutter. And then I've added some crushed shallots, ginger, green chilies, and some curry leaves. Allow this to saute for a bit. And then we add a bit of chili powder, some turmeric, coriander powder. Properly stir fry all these masala powders in the oil. This takes about 2 to 3 minutes. And at this point, I'm adding some crushed tomatoes. I will leave the complete recipe in the description box as well. And now I'm adding some Kashmiri red chili powder. This is just for a little bit of color and not too much of heat. Allow this to stir fry for a couple of minutes till you see the oil coming onto the surface. Now I'm adding some tamarind juice or tamarind water. This is basically to give a little tanginess to the fish curry. Add salt according to taste. Allow this to simmer for a couple of minutes. And now we add the fried fish very gently into this light sauce. Try to avoid to use a spoon or a spatula at this point because the fish is very delicate and you do not want it to break. Put a lid on very low flame, allow it to cook for about 7 to 8 minutes. Remove the lid and now we add some thick coconut milk. Well, this is something to add a lot of rich and creaminess, taste, and texture. Finish it off with some curry leaves and some slit green chilies. Switch off the flame after you add the coconut milk. Put a lid on and just allow it to sit there for a couple of minutes. This fish curry is very simple and very easy, and of course, tastes very delicious. You can just have it with some rice, which goes the best, and a simple light salad on the side. Thank you guys for watching and do stay connected. Thank you for all your love and support to help my channel grow. And I look forward to more support from you. This is Shirley signing off from Shirl's Kitchen. Bye bye.